Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my first video log ever, and today I'm gonna show you how I replaced the dashboard case for Superduke 1290R. Unfortunately I didn't find the case for 1290, but I did find the case for 790, and as you can see, it's a perfect match. Now, as you all probably know, these cases are well glued, so I decided to open it with a heat gun, but unfortunately on the fifth attempt the only thing I managed to do was burn it, as you can see in the picture. So, as I had nothing to lose, I took the knife and I opened it like a fish can. I know it doesn't look the best, but it did the job. Once the top case is removed, you can also remove the sticker, and under the sticker you have 4 screws. There they are. Now, finally, you can take the dashboard out of the case and take a look inside. I'm only doing with one hand, so it's not so easy. Ta-da! Okay, no more playing around, and let's put it all back together. Let's see if it's all gonna fit. Take a dashboard, put it in the new case. Check if it fits, and I think it fits perfectly. On your 4 screws, put them back in if you haven't lost them yet. Grab the sticker and place it exactly where it was. Time for the last piece of the puzzle. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. All I have to do now is repeat the whole process, add the glue, and install it back on the bike, hoping it's still working. Now, moment of truth. And looks like it's working. Let's see all the settings. And I think everything works the way it should. These are the rubber parts from the old case. I couldn't remove them, so I just cut them off and placed them in the bracket. And that's my job done. Thank you for watching.